This is Brittany with WTI, and you are about to be organized like you've never been organized before. Let's tackle the underwear drawer. This set of drawer organizers, so it comes with 3. You get 2 for your bras. Yes, amazing. I love having organizers for my bras. And then you also get one that has the little square cells, and also so it'll come like this, and then you just open it up. And so even if you rearrange your drawers and need to store these, they're so easy to store. They literally fold up to nothing. What I really love about this specific organizer is the fact that it does have a bottom to it. So I actually double layered my drawer so I can have like my slips or whatever you need if you want to double layer. What's so nice is you can, because I literally have all of them full, and then I'll just pull this one off the top and then I can see the bottom layer. So I really like that. Or even for folding purposes after laundry, you can take the entire organizer out, refill it, and then put it back in. So I really like that feature about this, because you don't have to worry about messing up your drawer if you need to pull it out. They make it look so cohesive and so amazing. It's just an organizer's dream, let me tell you. I couldn't be happier with these. I actually bought multiple sets because now all my drawers need to be perfect, and I'm so happy with this buy. And that's my point of view.